What if an AI system could learn new skills just by watching you use language? What if it could write its own code, test itself, and expand its capabilities autonomously? Today, we're diving into Phase Foxtrot, Learn, the breakthrough that transforms our deterministic AI operating system into a self-evolving learning machine. Phase Foxtrot, Learn. This isn't just another chatbot update, it's a complete paradigm shift. We've built a system that can observe human language patterns, generate new processing protocols, and deploy them automatically. Think of it as an AI that can teach itself new tricks. In previous phases, we manually coded each intent and pattern. Now, the system writes its own code based on examples you provide. Let me show you how this works. It all starts here, the Learning Center. This is where magic happens. Let's teach our AI a new skill. I'll type in a simple phrase. The system immediately analyzes this phrase and determines whether it needs simple regex matching or complex syntactic parsing. For greetings, it chooses regex, fast and deterministic. Now watch what happens next. The AI generates a complete regular expression pattern that can handle multiple variations, but it doesn't stop there. It creates positive and negative test cases to validate the pattern, generates an appropriate function name, and writes complete Python code to handle this intent. Let's try something more complex. What about weather requests? The system analyzes this, generates a pattern, creates test cases, and builds a complete weather function, including API integration and error handling. It even identifies what user inputs are needed, like API keys and city names. The generated code is production ready. It includes proper imports, error handling, and follows our project's architectural patterns. This isn't just pattern matching, it's intelligent code generation. Under the hood, Phase Foxtrot, Learn, operates on a sophisticated three-tier architecture. First, we have the regex layer for fast deterministic pattern matching. Second, advanced syntactic parsing using stanza for complex grammatical structures. And third, LLM fallback for anything the system hasn't learned yet. The syntactic parsing is particularly impressive. Using constituency and dependency parsing, the system can understand complex sentences like, "Do I have 3 red apples?" extracting entities, quantifiers, and relationships automatically. All user entities are stored persistently. The system remembers what you have, how many, and their relationships. This creates a persistent knowledge base that grows with each interaction. The database architecture supports this autonomous learning. New intents are created automatically, patterns are stored and versioned, and the system maintains verification flags to ensure quality control. Each learned protocol becomes a standalone module. Look at these files. Greeting handlers, weather functions, gratitude responses, all generated automatically and integrated seamlessly into the system. The system even stores its own training conversations. These JSON files contain the complete learning process, from initial analysis to final code generation. It's building its own curriculum. Traditional chatbots require months of development to add new capabilities. Our system learns new skills in seconds. It's the difference between hiring a programmer and training an apprentice. Like the old proverb says, give someone a fish and you feed them for a day. Teach someone to fish and you feed them for a lifetime. The hybrid approach gives us the best of both worlds, deterministic reliability for known patterns and adaptive intelligence for everything else. No more hallucinations for simple queries, but unlimited flexibility for complex requests. Phase Foxtrot, Learn, sets the foundation for Phase Golf, where the system will learn to test its own learning. Imagine an AI that can not only write new code, but also generate comprehensive test suites and validate its own capabilities. We're building toward true autonomous AI evolution, systems that can expand their capabilities without human intervention while maintaining reliability and safety. Phase Foxtrot, Learn, represents something unprecedented, a deterministic AI system that can learn probabilistically but execute deterministically. It's the bridge between reliable software and adaptive intelligence. The best part? We're making this open source. The code, the architecture, the learning pipeline, all available for the community to build upon and improve. The future of AI isn't just about building smarter systems, it's about building systems that can make themselves smarter. Phase Foxtrot, Learn, is just the beginning. Links to the repository, documentation, and next episode are in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're not just building AI, we're building AI that builds itself.